What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio with Constrictors in the building again. Today we got a couple things going on, man. We got an unboxing from a real cool breeder. Shout out to the homie Rob, KY Constrictors. Go give him a follow if you ain't. I'll put all his info in the description if I can remember. A lot of times I'll be forgetting. Wifey also went and picked out a couple key additions to some future plans, future projects we got going on over here. And I also want to show you what I got this ginormous snake hook over here for. So without further ado, man, let's get into it. All right, first up, we're gonna show off the new additions. So this is just a female 100% het pied that I picked up from Screw City Serpents. I'll try to remember to put all the info in the description. Look at that cinnamon bun, boy. I'll try to put all the info in the description below. But nice little healthy young lady, eating very well over here. She's been eating since she got here. No hesitation on that. I picked her up at the Janesville show a couple weeks ago and settling in pretty nicely. So super dark. No real crazy pied tracks or nothing, but 100% het pied anyway. So nothing major. On to the next. All right, and up next we got a pastel lesser, excuse me, 100% het clown. And this girl came from Poker Pythons. I got a few snakes in my collection from them. Big shout out to them. If you're not, go give them a follow. Pretty sure they're on Facebook and Instagram. So go give them a follow if you ain't already. But super nice lesser, man. Real dark around the dorsal, like this real thin dark outline. And then nice and white coming up from the belly. Super clean belly. Nice little pastel head. Pretty bright. Overall, nice looking nice looking animal overall, man. So big shout out to them. On to the next. And last one for the new pickups. And big shout out to Wifey, man, and young Caleb for going to get this guy right here. But Wifey found all them snakes that you saw. And she pretty much take care of getting them. I just tell her what I want and she make it happen. But this right here is a GHI Ghost, Orange Ghost line or Hypo, whatever you prefer. Male. Got him for one reason and one reason only. I got a Super Mojave Hypo up here that's about 1,500 grams, so she ready to go. And as soon as he is ready to go, that's where he gonna go. And I also got just a normal Ghost that he gonna go to too. But GHI Ghost, man, super pretty, man. Like ghosty, ashy looking, bright on the dorsal. He's a runner. I can't even put him down because he gonna go. But bright dorsal. Nice blushed out, faded, ashy looking head. Too bad he won't let y'all see it.
Yeah.
But big plans for this dude, man. That being said, let's get on to this unboxing.
Let's go.
So like I said, this came from the homie Rob, KY Constrictors. Real good dude, man. Real supportive in the community and all that. Always jumping on everybody's lives and showing love. And I noticed these hooks that everybody in the little community and that I mess with been getting. and I've been digging them. Just so happens that I found something that could use a hook. So I decided to holler at him. Real affordable. He makes them himself. Good quality. Great packaging. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that, bubble wrapped with the airbag.
What is that?
He said he dropped some stickers in there too. Where they at? Oh, I think we got them. So, once again, big shout out to the homie Rob, man. KY Constrictors and Exotics. Business card. Check him out one time. Appreciate it, big homie. He's definitely going on the incubator. Let's check this boy out right here.
Ooh.
Nice. Very nice. Solid, but not super heavy. Comfortable. This is gonna work out great. Now, let's show y'all what this is for. And there he is. Introduce y'all to the homeboy Kobe. Kobe is a albino lavender tiger reticulated python. I only got him in here temporarily. We actually got a 4x2x2 enclosure coming from Animal Plastics here. In like a month, they said. So this is the boy Kobe. Oh shit. That's why you gotta have a hook. Cause they get, you know, cage aggressive. Oh, he just went around now.
Oh yeah, he's a climber.
Alright, so pretty long, nice and big. This is Kobe. And again, he's a runner. He might start peeing. Hope not. No, he ain't. So yeah, man, retic. Pretty nice. Very big. He facing the other way. There we go. Super friendly, man. Docile little dude. Never really struck or nothing like that. He get a little weird, like you just saw when he coming out of that tub. So I'm sure he gonna be the same way or worse when he get his own like nice big enclosure. So that's why this is a necessity for any breeder or keeper of big snakes. You gotta have something to control your big snakes, man. So that's the boy Kobe. Let's get him in some light. Beautiful, man. Like I say, he's super chill. Retic's way different than ball pythons. Like this boy never sits still. Like he never just chills. He's always on the move. So it's definitely a different experience, man. So this dude just told me I look like an old man. I am an old man. So that's what we got going on over here right now, man. I know it's been a minute since the last video, but try to keep them more consistent and keep them coming in 2021 a little bit better. So I'm doing my Chris Hardwick right now with the one snake on my neck. Trust me, I ain't gonna do this all the time. So, but don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I do upload. You know what I mean? That being said, till next time, y'all be easy.